So after what looked like a very great start to the week, we were up 4.94% on TQQQ. What is happening? I don't even know if you guys are aware of this. After market hours, the market is down over 3%. And why? This is the only thing that I could find. Even news outlets aren't talking about it yet. Snapchat, feel free to check it out. Ticker symbol SNAP is down 28%. How many tech companies are losing 50%, 30%, 20% in just one day? It's insane, right? We've seen it with Netflix, we've seen it with Facebook, and now we're seeing it with Snapchat once again. And this was after Snapchat has already significantly dropped. If you guys look at it on the overall year, I mean, it's been cheap. Right now it's trading at $16. That's way down here. When's the last time Snapchat was trading at $16? It had to be in 2020. We are at 2020 levels as of right now. I mean, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it was trading at $18 early 2020. Even towards the end of 2019, it was trading at around $16 to $18. It's insane. And unfortunately, people were asking within our Learn Plan Profit group chat, they're like, is Snapchat really the thing bringing down the entire market? Well, first off, I see nothing else. There's no other thing that's being reported right now that's bringing down the market. That's the only, and let's be honest, does it surprise you that the market is so weak now that Snapchat, as irrelevant, in my opinion, of a company as it is, that it's actually bringing down QQQ, which is the NASDAQ ETF. So it's unfortunate to see that everything that it worked for today of the 4.94%, it pretty much has given nearly all of it back. I mean, if you look at where the market opened and where it's at right now, it's nearly a break even. It's very unfortunate, but can you say that you're surprised? I don't know, Remy. Remy and I aren't surprised. She wanted to make sure that I update you guys on what's going on with the market. I was very excited to film a video. I was actually just setting up her little floating chair. So for all of our Learn Plan Profit members, tomorrow's live trading session, Remy should be here right on her floating chair during our live session. So I was setting that up, and literally in just a couple of minutes that it took for me to set this up, the market went from highs to overall lows. And it's my job not just to talk about best case scenario and all the good news, but of course, the unfortunate news. So I hope that this video comes to you at a good time. If you guys have any questions that you guys would like to ask me, comment that down below. Also, I did get my Instagram back finally. That's going to be the third link in the description. Make sure that you follow me. I'm already getting emails of someone trying to hack my Instagram again. I got hacked for about a week and a half. It's super unfortunate that people want to take over my account. But if you guys ever have any questions on top of just my Instagram, I hope that you guys know that I have a free Discord chat, and that's going to be that first link in the description. I can't say this enough. I do not have more than one Instagram account. All the other ones are fake. I never trade for you. I never ask you for money. I don't use WhatsApp, any of those foreign weird transaction websites. I don't do any of that. I don't do crypto. I don't do Bitcoin. If you get a message of someone pretending to be me, screenshot it and send it to me via Discord. I would love to take it down. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys for being so amazing. If you guys want to join us, me and Remy, or Remy and I, tomorrow for our live trading session, I'm going to put a $100 off coupon. LPP is designed for complete beginners, but you get access to our A to Z video lesson library. You get access to my daily live trading session. You get access to our private Learn Plan Profit group chat. And yes, of course, you get access to our TechBuds HQ located in Chandler, Arizona. This is all included for a one-time payment, lifetime access, and that's Learn Plan Profit 2.0. So if you're ready to join our team, Remy says the second link down below, it's going to be $100 off, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at Market Open for our live trading session. Hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.